We just arrived at the airport here to pick up our students from retail. Barry, are you excited?
Good, yeah, another group coming in and one more, then one more after that. So yeah, really interested.
So we've been waiting for 2 hours, but we're ready. We're ready to welcome them. Everything has been pushed, ready to go. We'll have some good deep dish pizza when they arrive. Ça va? And here is Seagull. So we have finally arrived. We spent like 3 hours waiting at the airport, but the students made it. And here is the room where they're going to be presented with their welcoming sessions. And they'll have some great Blue Manatees pizza, which is one of the best pizzas in Chicago.
The fact that you guys are from France and you have all this spirit and energy and food and hair and all this other stuff, it makes you different.
Je pense que ça serait mieux que tu sortes de Facebook parce que là ça se voit, du coup on a l'impression que tu travailles pas.
Présentation d'entreprise pour demain.
Au final, ça fait presque un jour qu'on n'a pas dormi.
They woke up 24 hours ago and they have a presentation to work on, and that's what they're doing, like right here in the background. We talk about the can-do attitude. This is what it's all about. They're from 2 different regions of France, from Paris and then from Angers. So the goal of this program is to help them as part of the same network of distribution companies and distribution trainings. So prior to a company visit, what do the students do? They do a lot of research about the companies that they're going to visit during their stay here, to have more appreciation, understand the value of these visits, to be more knowledgeable about them, and to also prepare for questions, because it is a requirement here in the US to ask questions when you get a chance to meet with professionals. And now they are having a class with Barry Mixon about storytelling, how to make the most of your experience and create more value through storytelling. And that being said, one of my clients is a former student of Seagull. He was here in Chicago in 2015, and one of his dreams is to potentially one day get a job in the US. So what I've been doing is coaching him twice a week, and I work with him on his mindset, on a lot of different strategies in order for him to create his network, meet with people, and potentially find a job and be able to move one day to the US.
Remember that you are French. That's what makes the difference. You are French. And you go, okay, grandma, and then at that moment, you remember what your grandmother said. No matter how afraid you are, you just like, my grandmother said I'm better, so I'm French. And then, so the play goes on. Ready, now, set, boom, you knock me on the floor, and you stand up over and you go, beautiful, right? That's awareness. Awareness is when you realize. That's what happens.
Souvent les gens se disent, je sourire va vous permettre de vous sentir bien. Vous tenir droit, les épaules en arrière, ça va vous permettre de vous sentir bien.